Well, good morning, travelers. It is not so early on a Wednesday morning, I believe it is, here in Zurich. I am very tired. My first night in a new bed is always restless. I don't really sleep very well. And I was going to make it a relatively lazy day, kind of nap in, do what I want, etc. in my friend's flat, which is just gorgeous and featured behind me. However, as much as I may inspire you all to get out and go, you equally inspire me to get out and go. So I refused to just stay inside when I have really one day to kind of visit the city and see what's up. So I'm out and about, and I'm going to check this out for you and for me. So far, I'm so happy that I decided to get up and come check out this city because it's really, really freaking cool down here. Lots of history, lots of old buildings, lots of the things I love. Clean streets too, cobblestone. There's also plenty of tourism, and it's gold. Now and then you come across the street with next to nobody on it. Whee. It's been a really fun 5 hours just kind of exploring around Zurich on my own today. And now I'm just going to enjoy this beautiful 45-minute walk back to my friend's flat. And now that the sun has finally come out, I'm finally feeling a lot less chilly, so I'm going to enjoy it. Some of my best attempts pronouncing the German language. Ooh. Verbindungsstück. Sprühskum nicht enthalten. Zukauf erforderlich. right? I mean, I'm just like a pro. I'm just basically a natural. As always, adventures, thanks for following. Don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe for the next adventure. Meredith, San Diego. Ah.